Okay, so we're here with Tyler's WRX. Doing an oil change on it today. Got this baby little filter. Synthetic. Everything's really easy to get at. That's the filter there, that's the pan there. 11/16 bolt. Let's fucking hammer it. There you go. It's gonna run right down your arm as soon as it comes out.
There we go. That's nice.
Ooh. How much does this hold?
This?
Oh, pan.
This? Oh, it'll be enough.
I know it'll be
hopefully.
Yeah,
over there.
Wipe that off.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's it. That's fucking it. Like,
I told you it was small.
There's nothing.
Yeah, it's only 4.5 liters.
All right.
Yeah.
It's just a little thing, eh?
Yeah.
Wait, did you get... Oh, never mind. Yeah.
Yeah, you just... Here,
Oh, no,
it's
I
the
don't
rat.
even need it.
Oh, okay. You just take off the ratchet and it just goes right in.
No, YouTube video, here we go.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on off there, you fuck.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be full, just turn it upside down.
Yeah. The seal. Yeah, the seal's still in there. Pretty good. Or that one. Oh,
Maybe?
must be. Yeah, that would make sense actually. Okay. Yeah. You want to wipe that off?
What the... Oh, the...
Like the, yeah.
Get this out of here now.
Yeah, no need for that anymore.
Tighten this up. Work spec till you can't turn it anymore. Okay. All cleaned up. Yeah, that's so easy to get at.
Yeah.
So one turn after the seal touches the top of where the filter screws
That would
onto.
be way too tight if I did all the way around.
What do you mean?
Like.
Yeah, that was good where you had it.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was.
Because you want it, like, you don't want to be able to, like, hand undo it.
Yeah, but you also don't want to tighten it too tight.
No, that's what I mean.
That's
Like, if you can do it, undo it with your hands, that's good.
Yeah, exactly.
You just don't want it
Yeah, that's
flying
good.
off. Yeah.
Don't want to tighten it too much. All right.
It's all
Nothing to
dry.
put back on.
Nope. That's the fucking easiest job ever.
You get underneath the car. Oh, there's the filter.
Yeah. Okay. Well, 5W30 regular? No. 0W40 diesel. Oh, you don't have a pan or like a funnel, do you?
Do you have a funnel?
Yeah. Fill her up.
Oh, how much left of this? Not really that much at all.
Yeah, just empty it. So this is a WRX, and we're putting 0W40 diesel oil in it, because that's what they like, apparently.
Well, really, we're putting 5W40, you know. But
So how much is in this one, like under a liter?
how much was?
Yeah. Or like a liter.
Oh, I'd say barely a liter.
So pretty much like 3/4 of that one or something. Yeah, so that's it. Just pop off the filter, pop the bolts, 11/16. And yeah, that's it.